friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, outstanding denim handbags design. Denim handbags are becoming one of the most stylish and trending accessories today. They are loved by many people because they look modern, casual and beautiful. A denim bags can easily match with different outfits and give a fresh fashion look. These handbags are perfect for everyday use because denim is a strong and comfortable fabric. They are not only fashionable but also practical. You can carry your daily essentials easily while looking stylish. One of the best things about denim handbags is their unique handmade stitching. Many designs are created with careful stitching details that make every bag look special and creative. Denim handbags have a beautiful personal touch. The small stitching patterns, neat finishing, and creative ideas make them different from ordinary bags available in stores. Denim handbags are also a budget-friendly fashion choice. You don't need to spend a lot of money to get a trendy and elegant accessories for your collection. It's a very beautiful, outstanding idea, and many affordable denim handbags look high quality because of their strong fabric and smart design. A simple denim handbag can easily give a premium and fashionable feel. And these handbags come in many beautiful styles, including shoulder bags, tote bags, crossbody bags, and mini handbags. Every style has its own charm and beautiful. The best part about denim handbags is that they are suitable for different ages and fashion styles. Anyone can carry them and create a trendy look. It's a very beautiful, unique and very trendy collection. A good denim handbag is not only about appearance but also about comfort. The soft handles and practical designs make them easy to carry anywhere. Low-cost denim handbags can also look amazing when they have a creative design. Simple ideas and good finishing can turn basic fabric into a beautiful fashion piece. Denim handbag is denim is a timeless fabric that never goes out of style. That is why denim handbags remain popular season after season. Many handbags denim bags include cute details like pockets, buttons, patterns and different stitching style. These little touches make the bag more attractive. And denim handbags are perfect for casual quality outings, shopping trips, coffee dates and daily activities. They add a relaxed yet stylish vibe to your personality. The combination of comfort and fashion makes denim bags a favorite choice for many fashion lovers around the world. A beautiful stitch denim handbag shows creativity and hard work, and each piece can have its own unique style and designs. These bags are great example of how simple materials can be transformed into something fashionable and useful. Denim handbags are also easy to style. You can pair them with jeans, dresses, shirts and casual outfits for a complete look. A trendy handbags can make your outfit look more interesting without being too expensive or complicated. Many designers create denim handbags with modern shapes and elegant finishing to give them a luxury-inspired appearance. The strong denim materials make these handbags a smart choice for people who want beauty with durability. All ideas is very creative, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Hope you like all ideas and collection. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need support. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and goodbye. Assalamu alaikum. Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, outstanding denim handbags design. Denim handbags are becoming one of the most stylish and trending accessories today. They are loved by many people because they look modern, casual and beautiful. A denim bags can easily match with different outfits and give a fresh fashion look. These handbags are perfect for every